Alvina Usher, your Ottawa real estate expert. I would like to talk about year 2023. It was a very productive year for me, and this year I wrote 4 books for you, for my clients. And I want to talk today about each book. The next book, I would like to talk to you about this book, A Buying Guide in Ottawa. So for people that want to buy in Ottawa, this is a very good booklet, and I'm going to be a very good person to incorporate me into the house hunting as early as possible. Very, very important. It is a lot of changes right now happening from December 1st in Ontario for us to represent you for real estate agents. So it is a very good booklet that's gonna give you an understanding what you should do to buy in Ottawa, and also it's not gonna let you forget all my little information and again, to get me in the process as soon as possible, that I can earn my commission. I can provide you the comparative market analysis. I can provide you showings, never mind how many, 10 or 20 or 30 or 40. I personally had a 40 showings when I bought my house, so I know that it is a very important decision. You're spending a lot of money. It is not easy, and I would like to provide you as much information as possible, and I'm going to be able to do it if you're gonna involve me in a process as soon as you decided to buy home. So this is a little booklet that you're going to be able to order from the links that I'm going to provide in the description. And actually in the description is going to be a link to another 4 books. This booklet is absolutely free. Guys, this is not a deduction method of Sherlock Holmes, but this is just a little booklet that's gonna help you to understand steps and strategies that you need when you're buying your home in Ottawa. And this concludes my little presentation that I would like to give you about my book that I wrote. It is very important for me that you will know that I strategically put all the information in those books, that you will be able to use it if you decide to sell your house on your own, or you decided to buy the house on your own. I would be very happy if you're gonna call me, and I'm gonna be involved in the process, and I will be able to provide you service to find your next home, or to help you to sell home, or to market your home absolutely for free to my social media for people who decided to sell their homes by themselves, or if you're in quite a situation of a divorce or separation and you need a comparative market analysis, or you need to understand what you're going to do with your home or where you're going to go, and you need to talk to somebody absolutely anonymously. All conversation will be in a super private settings.